So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to teach you how to use Threads without Instagram. So it's pretty simple. So to use Threads without Instagram, all you have to do is just visit the Threads website in any application browser that you have. So it can be Safari, you can use Google Chrome and other things like that. So to basically just do that, just head on to your browser like I said and then just go to threads.com. So I have to redirect me since I already have my application ready. So without the application itself, you can't log into Threads. But the only disadvantage, you'll be able to read and view posts on Threads without logging in. But however, you won't be able to read post, like, share content as normal since you don't have an account, and it only works with the Instagram handle feed for Threads. So by signing up in Threads using your Instagram handle, you can avert that situation. And there you go guys, and that is how you use Threads without Instagram. If you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.